Cornerstone has a very basic structure that makes it very flexible to serve any kind of application need. Even though the first modules in Cornerstone were content management, CMS style modules like articles, documents, images, stuff like that to make websites. The basic architecture of Cornerstone can serve any organizational information need. So let's just briefly walk through the structure. The basic structures are groups and users. Let's start with users. Users are actual people who have their global single sign-on user identity. This means that you sign on once and you keep your identity. So only one username and password across all websites and groups in the system. And you only sign in once and you sign out once. You do not have to sign into every website in the systems. Only one username, only one sign in, and when you want to leave for the day, only one sign out. So that's the user. It's not, you do not use a role, the username secretary or the username group leader or something like that. Your username is supposed to be your name, so your personal identity in everything you do. The other main thing is groups. Everything in Cornerstone happens in groups. Even when it has to do with you personally, then it's your personal group, your stuff. So all functionality, everything you can do, everything you can store are in modules owned by groups. Whether it's your personal group or your small group. They are both groups and they own modules. The modules can be web shops, articles, documents, video, websites. Yeah, you heard right. Even the website is a module. Project management, blogs, maps, Bible games. We have many, many more. And all these modules are owned by the group, not the user. How then does the user actually create articles, view articles, edit articles, etc.? Well, that's through roles. So you have a predefined set of roles, and you can make as many roles as you want to if you have the right privileges in the group. The top level role is the owner. The bottom level that everyone has is the guest. And everything between the owner who can do anything and the guest who might possibly not do anything, you define yourself. You can create roles like leaders, members, ushers, secretaries, whatever. So that's where your function comes in the name of the role. And for each role, for every module, you tell specifically that leaders are allowed to do this and this and this with articles and this and this and this with images. Regular members are allowed to do this and this with the same modules. So users have roles in groups to access modules where the data is stored.